Hello and welcome. This is Nasim from nasimreels.com, and in this video you are going to learn how to install Avada theme to your WordPress website. So let's get started. So as you can see, this is the Avada Prebuilt website builder, and it's almost close to 1000k sales. Okay, so voice is pretty popular and it's $69, and of course it's not a free, it's a premium theme. And before install, of course you need to buy that, and I always do prefer to use premium theme because it's very professional and very user friendly. You will get a lot of feature with this theme, so you can utilize that. Okay, so first of all we need to download this theme when you have bought. So I already bought this theme, and you will see on the, if you download this theme, you will see the your profile and download section. You can easily download it. So here you can see this is my WordPress theme. I have bought it and I'm just going to download and install it. Okay, so first of all you need to go to your website backend to install that theme. So you can see here is I am on the website backend, and now go to, for installing that theme we need to go on the theme, and here you will see the option which is add new theme. Just hit on that button and then upload the theme. So choose the file from your computer, and this is the theme I have bought. Just select it and then install it. So when you hit the install, this theme file will automatically start uploading, and when the upload, and it will also extract the file, all the format and all the file will extract, and then you will able to activate that theme. And now up within a few seconds you can see my theme is successfully installed. Just now hit the button on activate, and then this theme will activate. And the first thing for installing any premium theme, you need to install the registered. So you can see I already registered this theme with the valid code, and you need to do that. I hope you can do that. And with that, it's required the few plugin, default plugin need to install. So we can see install Avada core, Avada builder. So return to Avada plugin page, go again, install the Avada builder, and return the page again. So also install this Avada custom branding. So that's it. And if I show you the site look, and you can see it's now look like this. Okay, so it's not yet any content uploaded. So if we want to make that theme with appropriate look, then we need to go to the, like, we need to add the pre-built site. Okay, so if I click on the fees website, and you can see a lot of pre-built is here. I just want to add the classic. Just hit the all and then import, and then okay. And you can see this is currently processing. All the emails and all everything will be added on this website. So just for your kind, just remember the current look of this site. It's now look like this, and we are installing our pre-made website. And what will be the next look of our website? We are waiting, and I am very excited to that. So right now you can see our configuration, and our it's imported has been done. So let's reload this site and see what will be the next look of our website. Okay, So it's Avada Classic, and now our website is look like this. So it's a very amazing look that we are seeing in our WordPress website. So this professional looking website we have made within few seconds. So that was the video how you can install Avada theme and will import the pre-built website. And the next video I'm going to show you how you can install the Google Tag Manager with this website. Okay, so thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the subscribe.